Retellio AI just dropped, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software that's already shaking up the market. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing exactly why this could be a game changer for your digital marketing and content creation strategy. First off, what makes Retellio AI stand out from the crowd? It's all about speed and accuracy. This tool specializes in automating tedious tasks and streamlining your marketing workflow. Whether you're crafting email campaigns, generating social media posts, or handling customer service interactions, Retellio's AI is designed to get it done faster and smarter than most traditional tools. The first thing you'll notice is how user-friendly the interface is. It's designed for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. You don't need to be an AI expert to use it, yet it's powerful enough to make an impact in any business. I've tried hundreds of software tools, and Retellio AI makes it easier to get started without feeling overwhelmed by complex settings or confusing dashboards. Second, let's talk customization. Retellio AI offers a level of personalization that is often missing from other platforms. You can fine-tune the software to suit your specific needs, whether it's adjusting the tone of content it generates or targeting particular customer segments. This flexibility is huge for marketers who need a tool that adapts to their strategy, rather than forcing them to adapt to the tool. One of the standout features of Retellio AI is its automation capabilities. For example, it can generate content ideas for you, write entire blog posts, or even create social media captions. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and drafting, you can rely on the AI to jumpstart your creativity and save time, which translates into more productivity and ultimately more revenue for your business. Now, I know a lot of you might be wondering about the quality of content this AI creates. Will it sound robotic or too generic? Fortunately, Retellio AI uses advanced language models that craft content that feels natural and engaging. This means you can expect high-quality writing that matches the tone of your brand and resonates with your audience. The system is trained to understand context, ensuring that the output is relevant and impactful. Another thing that sets Retellio apart is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, the software can scale with your needs. As your business grows, Retellio can handle larger volumes of content creation, marketing tasks, and data analysis without compromising on quality or efficiency. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses looking to grow quickly while staying lean on resources. But of course, no tool is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that Retellio AI's subscription model can get pricey for smaller businesses or solo marketers. If you're just starting out or working with a tight budget, you might want to test out the software first to see if it's the right fit for your needs. You can get started for completely free from the link in the description, so there's no risk in giving it a try. Retellio AI also offers some great integrations with other platforms, which is fantastic for those of us who rely on a multi-tool ecosystem for digital marketing. You can integrate it with CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and more. This seamless connection saves time and eliminates the need to manually transfer data between different platforms, making your workflow even smoother. Lastly, if you're still on the fence, know that Retellio AI has solid customer support. If you run into any issues, their team is responsive and ready to assist. Whether it's a technical problem or just figuring out the best way to use the tool for your specific use case, they've got you covered. So, should you try Retellio AI? Absolutely, especially if you're looking to automate your marketing efforts and boost your productivity. I've tested out thousands of AI tools, and Retellio is among the few that genuinely make a difference for digital marketers. If you want to see what it's all about, make sure to grab your free trial from the first link below. You can start testing Retellio AI today and see how it transforms your workflow. And remember, I've got my recommended AI tools listed in the description, all tested for quality, so make sure to check those out too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.